got a 2012 Camaro SS here. About to get baseline. I believe it's just here for some bolt-ons. And it's got a cold air induction intake. And everything else looking fairly stock manifolds. Looks like this one will take. See what you make.
What are you guessing this is gonna make? It looks like it's just got an intake. I love it. 365. Okay.
I am gonna guess 380. 380. Kyle got there's something pretty simple in here, just some bolt-ons.
Yeah, rotofab and some American Racing headers. It's technically, I guess, their stage 1 package.
Okay.
5th gens, so.
It's a little dusty under the hood.
Yeah, it's looking like mine.
Did you say it looks like yours?
Yeah. Mine is not pretty under the hood.
Not all of them can be.
I'm gonna change that hopefully pretty soon.
Uh-oh. Oh God, I thought the hood was coming down on you.
No, it is.
After seeing Matt get cracked in the head with that one hood, I've been wary and keep an eye out. I'm ready to catch.
It won't be the first time I've had shut on me.
I'm ready to fucking catch the hoods. Yeah, I wasn't filming it, but while Kyle was taking the stock manifolds off, wanted to be well, it didn't break while you were taking them off. It's already
it was broken when I was going to this side of the tank.
Yeah, gotcha.
Thankfully, it wasn't in the back. Thankfully, it was, you know, flush with the head. I've never seen that on a 5th gen before, so. Usually see that on like work trucks and stuff like that.
Yeah. My buddy Silverado has one.
Yep.
Currently broken.
I couldn't tell you how many times how many Silverados I've drilled out.
It's a little scary to drill them out, isn't it?
You know, for your first couple times, yeah. Because if you go too deep, you will hit a coolant jacket, and I've seen that happen.
Yeah.
They drilled right through it, and they pulled the drill out, or the drill, and then fucking coolant started shooting out. I'm like, oh, not good. Not
if you
good.
do that, then you need a new head, don't you?
Well.
What do you mean, well?
I mean, yes, the right thing to do is get a new head. He did not do that.
Some JB weld in there or something?
There's some fucking sealer on that bolt, ran that bolt in. As long as the bolt's in, it ain't gonna leak.
I guess.
Like I said, not something I did or would condone, something I've seen happen. Fucking put a bunch of asterisks on that statement right there. Frankly, these are forgiving aluminum heads, whereas trucks are not. That's why they break all the time. It's in a truck blocks or iron blocks. Well, the newer ones have aluminum heads, but the older ones that we're talking about, like early 2000s, late 90s, like that. What are you looking for?
Get the rotofab all pieced together.
Yeah. There you go. Stage 1. Complete.
Finish the exhaust too?
Yep.
That's quick. Super quick. Alright, guess we'll see what it does when we're back now.
2012 Camaro, we did American Racing headers and a rotofab. And a tune. So we'll see. I'm not sure why the GoPro stopped recording. It said it did. But it made 375 and 403. What'd this thing baseline? 361, 381. So we'll see what this thing does. .380 407. This thing is fucking loud. .381 408. It's probably not going to make a ton more than that because timing and fuel are both very, very close. I'm going to do one more pull and then I'll check trans. .382 407. My last pull and then I'll do some trans. Alright, I'm gonna do some trans. I'll do this thing being bolt on, probably I'll do second gear. Does this thing have straight pipes on it or something?
It has like a Corsa cabinet.
Is it Corsa? Sound, it's fucking loud. Shifted good. I'd call this done. What did this thing baseline? 361. So it picked up like 21 and 26 torque or something. Pretty stout for headers in there and take it. I already had a tune and shit on it, so ready to go later. This is a GXP manual that a buddy of mine owns. It's basically like stock with an LSA blower on it. The stock manifolds, all that, with an LSA. And that's really all I know about it. It's got a fuel system and shit in it too, but that's because he's going to put like a cam and headers and stuff on it eventually. But he just wanted to get this together and get it running and see how it does and then go from there. So I'm gonna let this thing warm up. We're gonna make a pull on it. Little rich. See how much boost this thing makes. Made 178 kPa, 11.3 pounds. Not bad. Still rich. It's alright though. 444 and 526. Wonder what this thing will make. 550 maybe? Just curious what this thing will make. With that torque, it might make 600, honestly. Nah, maybe not. Maybe 550. Maybe 550. Stock manifolds are 100% hurting it. Stock cam ain't hurting it as much as the stock fucking header, stock manifolds and shit, and cats. .47. Yeah, he did say he was curious if the clutch would hold or not. It like just pulled down mid-pull. I can smell them fucking cats. I only got like 10 degrees of timing in this thing too. I don't think it's gonna take much more with the cats. The stock manifolds and shit. I didn't really change much. Just a little bit of fueling up high. Whatever shifter he has in this thing actually feels really nice. I don't remember these things like feeling this nice. Like usually they're like pieces of shit like GTO shifters. I don't know if this is aftermarket or they just feel nice stock. .73. Not that much of a difference though. Not that much of a difference. Maybe 20 horsepower. Your car's just a fucking turd.
Yeah.
How much boost is yours on though?
Same amount.
Ah, okay. I'll probably do one more pull, and then I'll let it cool down. It's pretty close now, actually. See what you got. $583. I want to find out what plug is in this thing too. It has a Corsa catback on it. I thought it was stock, but it's stock manifolds and shit with a Corsa. This thing has a Corsa on it. I'm talking to him now.
Doesn't sound like it.
It's because it's stock manifolds and cats. Hey Matt, you want to pull a plug on this thing? He thinks they're gapped at like 38 or 40. And he put them in when he put the car together. And I think he like was trying to get it run himself like in the garage for a little while and had some issues with it, whatever. So I'm curious to see what the plugs look like because they might be fucked. I'm gonna have Matt pull them. We'll be back.
Pretty keel. Just saying, fuck you up there.
Making about the same power in this fucking shit box me. I got his turn way down, I just didn't tell him yet.
It's fucked up. I just have 2 degrees of timing in my car.
Yeah. When you work here for a year, I'll print it up. Matt, you unhooked the tack. Show Garrett how to put it on so he could forget in 6 minutes. $580, $557. I'm gonna let this thing cool down and then I'm gonna make a final pull. I don't know if it'll make 600, but it may. We'll find out. All right, let this thing cool down a little bit, see if we can break 600. $594, $570 torque. I'll make one more. I don't think it's obviously going to make any more, but clutch is not the happiest camper in the shed right now. Do people camp in sheds? Is that even not the happiest camper in the world, maybe? Not the happiest camper in the tent? I don't know, bro. Let's see what we got. $592. All right, we're gonna call that donezo. Not bad for factory cats and manifolds. And 11 pounds of boost. 11.5 pounds, I guess you could say. On straight pump gas, you know, obviously nothing else. All right, that's it for this. Later.